What are we gonna make today?
Fruit heart.
Fruit heart? Oh, I think a fruit tart, but I like your better, Jaden. Why are we making a fruit tart today?
It's Mom's birthday.
Because it's Mom's birthday? Oh, does Mom like fruit tarts?
Yes.
Oh, do you guys like fruit tarts?
Yes.
Yay! Alright. Let's make the crust. First, we have to combine 1.5 cups of flour into the bowl. Okay? Next, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar.
We dump the whole sugar.
And Gemma, why don't you go ahead and dump the 1 1/4 sticks of butter.
The whole thing?
The whole thing. The whole kit and caboodle.
Do you want to help me?
Now we're going to gently stir it all together.
Can I help?
Yeah. Let me just get started and then you guys take over.
Can I do it first?
Okay.
Do it first.
Okay, you guys do it together.
Come off. Come off.
Good stirring.
Come off, baby.
Be gentle. Alright, so now we're going to put our crust into this pie pan here.
Pie pan.
Yep, in this pie pan, it has a separate outer ring and a separate bottom. Lean it in and I'll push it in. Spoon. Slash, slash.
No.
What do you think we should do now?
Push down. Spread it.
Maybe spread it?
Yes.
You guys are doing really good. So you're trying to flatten it along the whole bottom of the pie pan. So we smoothed out the crust. Doesn't that look nice and pretty?
Yes.
It does. Now what do you think we have to do?
Bake it.
Bake it. We're gonna bake it. What temperature? I think it's gonna be 350 degrees. And we're gonna bake it until it's golden brown. In fact, do you know where this recipe came from?
Grandma's house.
Grandma's house. Okay, so let's put it in the oven, okay? Yeah, we're gonna put it on the middle rack. And we'll just keep an eye on it until it turns nice and golden brown. So let's set timer for 10 minutes. So, while our crust is cooking, what are we gonna make now?
The thing that goes on top of the
The
crust.
thing that goes on top of the crust. Okay. It is the cream cheese filling. Oh, that sounds good. So, the recipe calls for 16 ounces of Cool Whip, but we're gonna start with 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And then what is this?
Cream cheese.
There you go, good job. And we have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and everybody's favorite, what is this?
Sugar.
Sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar. So we're going to put all the ingredients together in here, and we're going to mix. Well, let's put the cream cheese in first. Ta-da!
And then just dump it in.
And just dump it in. All right, next.
Started bag. Cool Whip. I used to eat that with pancakes.
You did? Whoa! Jaden, can you pour the sugar in there?
Looks like a tiny cake. Can I help? There goes the sugar.
Okay.
There goes sugar on my finger.
Now we have our egg beater here.
That's good.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. The other thing that we did earlier, and we did it without the kids because it's kind of dangerous, is we made a fruit sauce. Now you can put whatever you want in there. We did rhubarb, blueberry, and strawberry. Then we just added some sugar and boiled it down. And then we added a little bit, you can add a little bit of cornstarch if you feel it's too runny. And then we cooked it down. And now this is cooled down and it's ready to put on like a gem. All right, we baked it about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, so we've made our crust, we've made our cream cheese filling, we've made our fruits toppers, and now we're gonna cut up some fresh fruit to put on there. Yeah, what kind of fruit do we have here?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Blueberries.
Yeah.
Cherry.
Raspberries.
Raspberry.
And what are these?
Oranges.
Any fruit works though. Any fruit is delicious. This is just what we grabbed.
They're so tiny.
Now we gotta cut up some strawberries, okay?
Yes, that's too big.
So, who wants to cut up some strawberries? Gemma?
Sminy.
Sminy? All right, Gemma. Let's cut up some strawberries.
I'm helping Daddy.
You're doing a great job, honey. It's always important to have an adult with you when you're cutting, right, guys?
Yes, this one mine.
Okay. Cut the top off.
I fixed
Discard
the
it.
doggy more.
And we're gonna do slices of strawberries. Jaden, I know you're real enthusiastic on cutting that. Jaden, you want to put a glob on there first? Yeah.
Blah, blah.
Okay, good. Now, I'll do one. Oh, it's Gemma's turn. Okay, now Daddy's turn.
Putting this all television and putting in most.
Next, it's time to put the fruit sauce. Let's put some fruit sauce. I'll put some on. You guys can spread it around.
Okay. I can use this and Jaden does it first. No, I do
Go
it
and spread
first.
some of that around, okay, guys?
Can I do it first, Jaden? Yeah. I'll spread this part and you spread your side. Spreading. Why are you taking it?
Spreading.
No, pink.
It's okay. Okay, thank you, Jaden. Good job.
Now this is gonna be yummy pie!
So now we're gonna start decorating it with fruit. So let's take our strawberries first.
Yep.
And it kind of looks good if you make like a
Flower?
flower design. You're right, Gemma. What do you think? Does that kind of look like a flower if we just line them up?
Yes, like a sunflower.
Like a sunflower.
Is it-
Thank you, Jaden.
Tiny flower. Oh, I'm gonna do this big one. Yeah, that one. Big. Tiny, big.
All right, next. What do you think would look good next? Blueberries?
Still blue. Then we gotta do this.
Yeah, you do that. It looks really good when you do that. So what did you make today?
Heart cake. A flower pie.
A flower pie. So I've heard it called a flower pie and a mom's heart cake and a fruit tart.
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Thank you for watching, Gemma. Dad.
And
Jaden.
EduPlay.
Please like, subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jaja Juju.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Woo! You're welcome. Love you.